Hello, we are here today at 1523 Meldron Drive. A very nice 4-bedroom, very cozy family home. Perfect neighborhood for young family with young kids. Look at the street. So let's go inside and check our beautiful new listing. Here we are inside the house. I love the layout of this house. As we come in, we can see the backyard, pool, and a nice deck. Beautiful dining room overlook to the nice front yard with lots of windows, smooth ceiling, pot lights. It's great to entertain your family here. Then you have your open concept kitchen with great island that can be used as your breakfast bar with nice stainless steel farmer sink. This house has a very nice cozy family room. That's a great place with a nice fireplace. It's great for afternoon tea with your family. Look at the perfect view from the window. Let's go to the backyard. In a hot afternoon, you can sit and enjoy the gazebo here with the shade and enjoy the view of the pool. Are you ready to jump in? Let's go! Another place in the backyard that gives you enough space to have a family gathering, great place to entertain. Tell me, who doesn't want to have this beautiful fridge? So now we are going to the second floor to see the bedrooms. We have a double door to the master bedroom. And here we are. Ta-da! It's very nice, bright room with cathedral ceiling. Let's come to the ensuite. We have glass stand shower. So we have the second bedroom here with lots of windows. As you can see that the room is very bright, and we have a mirror closet here. Let's go check the third bedroom. Again, we have very nice little cozy bedroom that has a mirror closet. Let's go to the fourth bedroom. Fourth bedroom, again, it has closet, smooth ceiling, pot light, and a wonderful view overlook the garden. Let's check the main bathroom with double sink, window, and a bathtub here. Okay, let's check out the basement. Very spacious place for your family, for a movie night with a great popcorn to enjoy. This theater room has all built-in speaker and also a great fireplace that can make such a beautiful scenery when you are watching a movie. After a nice game which I won, let's go check the gym. This is our room that we use it as a gym. It has a window, nice big window. And then after a nice workout, let's come to the bathroom and take a shower.